In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step process on how you can create an app like this using ChatGPT. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I will also show you how you can convert it into APK file, which you can install on your Android device, share with your friends, or even publish on a Play Store. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate the code with ChatGPT. The first step is deciding what kind of app you want to create. You can describe your idea to ChatGPT and it will generate the necessary code. For this tutorial, we will be building a simple ping-pong game. Let's ask ChatGPT to generate the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a ping-pong game. Step 2. Test the code in the CodePen. For this, we'll use a tool called CodePen. Create a new project. You will see 3 sections, one for HTML, one for CSS, and one for JavaScript. Copy the HTML code from the ChatGPT and paste it into the HTML section. Do the same for the CSS and JavaScript. Once that's done, we should see a preview of our game. Let's test it. You see, the game works, but we can definitely make it function better. Step 4. Save your code locally. First, open Notepad, copy and paste the HTML. Then, save the file as index.html. Next, create a new file in Notepad, copy the CSS code and paste it there. Save this file as style.css. Similarly, open another file, copy the JavaScript and paste it into the Notepad. Then save it as script.js. Note, store all these files in a single folder. Once all the files are saved, navigate to the folder where they are stored and click on the indexed file. This will launch the game in your browser, allowing you to run it locally. Now, I'll show you how to convert this app into a mobile app that you can install on your Android device, share with your friends, or even publish it on Play Store. Step 4. Host the game online. A simple way to do this is by using Netlify. Go to netlify.com. The link is in the description. Click Add New Site and select Deploy Manually. Drag and drop the folder containing your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Once uploaded, click the button to view your application. If you want to customize the URL, go to Site Configuration, scroll down, and select Change Site Name. Enter your preferred site name and click Save. As you can see, your application's URL is now updated. This brings us to the next step. Convert the game into a mobile app. To do this, we will use a free tool called Web Into App. The link is in the description. Click Get Started. Then enter your app's URL. Next, enter a name for your app and click Next. You will now need to add an app icon. Click Set Icon. Select your icon and click Open to upload it. Now, once the icon is added, click Make App. Fill in the required details and click Register. And that's it. You have converted our web app into a mobile app. Install the app on your phone. Once the conversion is complete, you can download your app. Click Download. Then download files and the app will be saved in your computer. Next, transfer it to your phone. Start by extracting the zip file. After extraction, open the Android folder where you will find the APK file. To install the app on your Android phone, upload the APK file to Google Drive by dragging and dropping it. Once uploaded, open Google Drive on your phone, locate the APK file and tap Install. After installing, tap Open and your app is ready to use. You can follow the same steps to create and install any app in just a few seconds.